one item at the bottom of the second 2017. We agreed to replace not the CEO message, but the Mayor's message with that revised Councillor and Mayor message. Just a small point, Your Worship.
We're not removing the CEO's message.
I know we're not, but that's what it says here.
We revised and that's been done, right?
I know.
That's going back into the amendments. Mr. Donaldson, just take the removal of the CEO message out. We didn't remove his message, we just revised the Mayor's message.
Revised the Mayor's message.
Serviette, I think. Blue bit off the serviette.
So it was removed. Okay, the minutes are correct.
It's the CEO's message,
The CEO's message was removed. You wanted councillors and a mayor's joint message. And that was done.
We got no CEO message in the long-term plan. That was a different content. That's not what we wanted.
It is. I remember you talking about it.
We wanted a joint one from the Mayor and councillors, and we wanted the CEO's message to remain.
I'd agree. So did they take the CEO's message out?
It was me that asked for it, and that was definitely right.
What did you ask for, Councillor Dillon?
Well, I just asked that the councillor's message be joined in with the mayor's message.
Yeah, I've got that, but what about this removal of CEO's message?
No, we did not.
If I can clarify, I stipulated at the meeting that what we could do with us was actually combine the mayor's, have a combined mayor's and councillor's message. My concern that I stated at the meeting was that we would be repeating the information that was also given the direction that you wanted to take in that mayor's and councillor's message, that we'd be repeating what was in the Chief Executive's message, and that it would be better simply to have a mayor's and councillor's message, and that because we had a financial strategy now at the front of the document, that really was the statement from the organisation about how you were going to move forward, and that it wasn't necessary to have the CEO's message.
Was that accepted by the councillors on the day?
It was accepted by the councillors on the day.
Sorry, that's not the understanding. Oh, sorry, Mr. Chairman. That wasn't the understanding that I had. I always perceived that the CEO's, because I think it's important that the CEO's message be in there. I just presumed that the main points that I felt as though, as a councillor, I needed to express with the mayor was just going to be added into the mayor's, and then the CEO's message was going to carry on.
Okay, before we clarify this misunderstanding, or whether it is or isn't, has it gone to print?
It has gone to audit.
Yes. Is it possible to put a CEO's message back in at this late?
I would be strongly advising that you do not put a CEO's message in. We will have repetition of the messages that we have now included in the combined mayors and councillors.
Okay, so that's your advice from the Deputy CEO. She says she strongly recommends you do not have a CEO's message because it's only duplicating what's gone into my message, because you guys have now bolstered up the mayor's message. That's what you're saying?
That's what I'm saying.
Do you accept that?
Accept it, but it wasn't our intention.
Okay, we accept it now, and that's the advice we give.
Yes, and I did actually state it on the day.
Can't have been listening.
Enough said. So the minutes are correct.
Rob,
move on.
you got
please.
down to that. Saved him a job.